Andy from Flushmate here. Today we're going to replace the upper supply on a Flushmate vessel. The process is the same for the 503 and 504 series units. Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the entire installation and owner's manuals. Because Flushmate systems are pressurized, make sure you completely shut off the water supply to the unit and flush it to release pressure. Failure to do so could result in damage or injury. For this job, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a pair of snips or shears to cut the hose attached to the upper supply. Always be sure to use only genuine Flushmate replacement parts. Let's start by turning the water off to the Flushmate. Turn the water supply valve handle to the right or clockwise. Flush the toilet to relieve the pressure inside the Flushmate vessel. Listen for incoming water. If you still hear running water running into the Flushmate vessel, check your water supply valve to be sure that water is completely turned off. The water must be fully turned off to perform the replacement of the upper supply group. If the water is still running, you may need to service the valve. Use the snips to cut the hose behind the hose clamp and hose barb. Now remove the upper supply from the vessel by turning it counterclockwise. No sealant or thread tape is necessary on the threaded stem. Now let's install the new upper supply group. Thread the new upper supply group onto the threaded stem on the vessel. Do not over-tighten. Slide the hose clamp onto the supply hose. Be sure to hold the clamp in place so it doesn't slide down the hose out of reach. Install the water supply hose onto the upper supply hose barb. Push the water supply hose all the way onto the hose barb, ensuring the hose clamp can be properly secured. Position the hose clamp towards the end of the supply hose. Be sure the hose clamp is only tightening the hose to the hose barb. Tighten the hose clamp with your flat blade screwdriver or 1/4-inch nut driver. Let's turn the water supply back on. Be sure to open the valve all the way. Once the vessel has finished pressurizing, flush the toilet and check for leaks. The upper supply group replacement is now complete. For other how-to and troubleshooting videos, visit us at www.flushmate.com/resources. For technical support and resources, you can contact Flushmate using the information below. Thank you.